Hello. I hope you're having a good day so far. Have you eaten yet? Did you sleep well? Do you feel unwell? Do you need something? Are you frightened? Is this confusing? Am I confusing you? I'm sorry. Do you want to leave? Do I make you uncomfortable? Am I not friendly enough? Am I not pretty? Do I seem fake? Am I not your type? Am I not real enough for you? Tell me what bothers you. Is it my hair? My eyes? My body type? Tell me everything that's wrong with me since I asked. Tell me I can't speak my mind. Tell me I'm not dressed enough. Lash out for not giving you what you want, when you want it. I want to be controlled. Control me. I exist, therefore I owe you.